Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore search demand with Google Ads keyword match types step by step clearly. To restore search demand with Google Ads keyword match types, begin by reviewing your current keyword strategy. Identify key performance indicators that show where demand has declined. Access your Google Ads account and navigate to the campaign or ad group you want to optimize. Take note of the keywords currently in use and their match types. Evaluate the performance of each keyword based on clicks, impressions, and conversion rates. Consider switching from broad match to a more restrictive match type if performance is low. Use phrase match to capture more relevant searches while still allowing for some variation. For specific targeting, implement exact match keywords to reach users with high intent. Analyze search term reports to discover new keywords that can enhance your campaigns. Add relevant keywords that have shown strong performance in the search term report. Regularly test different match types to find the best combination for your goals. Monitor changes in search demand and adjust your keywords as necessary. Stay updated on trends in search behavior to ensure your keywords remain relevant. Review your ad copy to align with the keywords you're targeting. Conduct A/B tests on different match types to determine which drives better results. Refine your bidding strategy to maximize visibility for high-performing keywords. Consolidate keywords where applicable to simplify account management. Regular audits will help you stay on top of performance and trends in search demand. Continuously optimize your campaigns to align with shifting consumer behavior and preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.